Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your website backend and set up your website in simple step. The website I'm going to use this time around will be a WordPress website, as this is what most people use. So the first thing you have to do is to type your domain name. For instance, my own domain name is JTT Homes and Properties .com/wp-admin. So this is my domain name. I press enter, then this should take me to my backend straight away. Now it's requesting for my password and my username and my password, so I'm going to put that very fast. So once I'm done with that, I will put my password. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I put my password and I will log in. So this is my backend. So once you have installed your WordPress on your site, this is where you have, and you can see the way I log into my backend. So I'm going to walk us through this one after the other. So this is your post. Any post, if you want to see all the posts you must have made before, this is where you come to. If you want to add new, you click on this. If you want to add category, tag and the likes, this is your media. If you want to add new library, new media library, you come to this. This is your page. If you want to add new page on your website, so you come to this. You can check your comment section here. This is your appearance. That is, this is where you customize how you want your website to look like. Then this is your plugin, the important tools you are going to use on this website. This is where you import all of them. Then your user, this is user. You can change your profile and work on some other stuffs there. Then your tool, this is your setting. Here you can work on your setting. Let's click this and see what we have there. So in your setting, if you want to change your site name, your site description, if you want to change your admin email, you can change it here. If you want to number of subscribers, if you want to change your language, you can change it there. So after that, you can come down to this and click save. Once you are satisfied with the changes, you can click save. Then the next thing is the writing. So you can just play around all this and see how it looks like. But make sure if you don't understand anything, you don't change it and come to click save, because once you click save, the thing will be there. I may not be able to return it back. So search engine feasibility, discourage search engine from indexing this site. So you don't take this. If you take this, search engine will not be able to index the site. Then blog pages show at most, that's 10. Then show your latest post. Your home page will display your latest post, so you can customize all those things here. Your permalink too, your permalinks, you can see them. So if you want to change anything, you can see how it works. So remember to click on save changes after you might have done with what you want to do. Now let's move to the business of the day. Now the first thing is that we are going to import our necessary plugin. So if you want to check the plugins that are there before, you click on this. Then if you want to add new, you click on this. There are some default plugins that will always come with your website. You have to delete that and input the plugins you need. So let me click on add new. So I've clicked on add new. Then I will search for my plugin here. So the first plugin I will like you to install on this website is your Elementor plugin, because this is a page builder and this is what I'm going to use in creating this site. So I'm installing Elementor page builder now. So I will click on install. When it's installed, then I will click on activate. It's installed already. I will click on activate. there are numerous plugins and they have different work. So my Elementor is installed already, depending on the type of site you want to build. Do you understand? So you can always check in for latest plugin on different sites. You can check on YouTube and some other places for your latest plugin, but for the purpose of this tutorial video, I'm going to show you some plugins. I'm going to add some plugins. So the next plugin that we had now, I'm going to add your so let me just go back. I mistakenly pressed something. So let me add another plugin. Which plugin am I adding now? Let me add my wordpress. So this wordpress is a security plugin, and I believe you will agree with me that security is very important. You click on it this way, then you install it. Once it's activated, you install it. So I'm waiting for it to get installed. Okay, so I can click on, if you can read this instruction below before you check continue. So if you want to get any info for your website, where will they send the info to? So this is my own email. I would prefer them sending info to my mail, so I can put it there, and if you don't want it, you can tell them no. So you can do that. Check this box and click on continue. Okay, yes, then click on continue. So once you are done with that, if you want to upgrade to their premium, you can click on this, but I'm not upgrading anything. I'm using their free too. Then the next plugin I will introduce is Yoast SEO. This plugin, so I will just click on this. Yoast SEO is a paid search engine optimization tool. So it helps you to work on your search engine on your site, and it's very important, because a site that does not rank is not good. Though you have some other SEO plugin as well, but I will recommend this to you. So Yoast SEO has been installed and activated. Let's add some more plugin. So let me add this plugin. Yoast SEO is there, Elementor page builder, and like, okay, then we can always add and upload some other plugins later. So let's just continue with our web. Now if you let me come to my dashboard. When you come to your dashboard, okay, my Elementor page builder is here, everything is here. Now let me begin by creating my pages, that is the pages on my site. Let me open another tab and you see what my site will look like presently. So I will just press GTT property and homes and press enter. So let's see what is there. So after the installation of your WordPress, this is what you have on your site. You can see this real estate site, blah blah blah. This is so horrible, nothing. It is just like when you talk about God creating the whole world, the earth was void and formless. The same thing your page will be if you have not done anything on it. Okay, now we move on. Now I told you there are some default plugins that will come to with your site. I'm going to track them. I will show you how you track them. There are some default pages that will come to with your site, so I'm going to track them as well. So one of the default pages here is this sample page. I will trash it. So after trashing it, this private policy page, I'm going to trash it as well. So once I have trashed those two, then I need to add pages I need on my site. So for my own site, I need my home page. I need my about us, I need contact us, and some other pages like that. So welcome to the blog editor. Okay, so this is my home page. I have to add my title, so I just add title as home page, HOME, then page. This is my home page. Then I want to edit my home page. You can see This page, my SEO is showing red, meaning it needs improvement. So I've not even done anything on my SEO. This page, I have to edit it with Elementor. I click on Elementor, meaning edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is what my home page will look like. Now, there are two ways in which you build with Elementor. The first one is to build using your drag and drop. The second one is to build using your widgets. Now, if you look at this thing, you discover that this box, if you look at my mouse very well, you will see this box is very small. That is the major reason why you need to go back and change this thing to your Elementor full width. So I will exit back to my dashboard, exit to dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Then I will come to this side and I will come, I'm coming, so page attribute, I will click on page attributes. Then I will come to where I have my template here. So let me just scroll down a bit so that you can see it very well. Now I will come to where I have my template. Instead of default template, I'm going to use Elementor full width. Once I click on Elementor full width, then I edit this page with Elementor again. Then you see the changes there. You can see that this box is now bigger than what I used to have before. Now, there are two ways you work with Elementor page builder. Is either you use your drag and drop or you use your templates. So these two methods I'm going to run through it briefly, and this I'm going to talk about these two methods. I'm going to talk about it in full in my next video. So thank you very much. See you.